Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and I asked you, how did I like this? This one was really intense. We were going for this very, kind of trapped trapped animal, if you will, vibe with this. And you can actually really see that I pushed the heck out of the contrast. And the way I did this, let's talk about the lighting first, but we're going to get into a little bit of the post here because it's kind of relevant. Here I'm using my data lights. So what she's in here is two painters backdrops, like Home Depot type, just canvas backdrops you put down when you're going to paint. I smushed them against the wall to create this area where she could get into, almost this like cloth room vibe, like padded cell vibe, right? And what I did was I lit it with very dramatic light to, kind of make the thing feel like she's trapped, like we're seeing her and just she's sticking out. And there's actually three lights here. There's two that are pretty obvious. The one is right here, dado light. Two is right here, dado light. These are small focusable lights coming down, lighting. Basically, this one, just a heads up, this one is basically above her, right? This way. This one that you can see here is kind of in front. So if I'm drawing the scene, she's here in the corner. She's here. One light is here above her. That's this light, right? And then one light is actually in front of her, which is lighting her leg, as we can see here, right? Now, there's a third light, which is actually, I'll draw the scene from the side. It's actually up here, and it's a softbox just lighting the whole scene, just to give us some base exposures, like here and here. This was, again, shot pretty contrasted, but I really wanted to push it, so I underexposed it by about a stop, and then I went in and I just like pushed my levels up, and that's why we see some weird color going on here, the really intense color, like in the red of her face, and even more so here, like on her hand. And again, this was by intent, and I think this is really important. We often, when we're creating images, try to make things perfect, and I think perfect is sometimes the wrong direction we want to take. If you're trying to create some kind of ultimate beauty shot, maybe. But if you're creating portraits and you want feeling, you need some rawness, some imperfection in order to bring out the emotion. Let it happen. If I didn't push this so hard, if I made sure there was detail in every area, if I made sure all the color was perfect, you would lose some of the impact of this image. The power of this image is all that we've done to it. So I'd love to know what you would do in a situation like this, what lights you'd use, how you might do some post-processing. Let me know in the comments below. Also, check out the description of the video. You'll find links to my Discord server where you can come over there and share some of your images and have a conversation. You can also join my Patreon if you'd like to support the channels. And a nice way to support the channel is just to like the video. So if you haven't done that already, please do subscribe and all that goodness. And I'll talk to you soon.